In this video, we will talk about the best foods to eat in the summertime. A lot of things change when the weather gets warm. One of them is how we eat. No one wants to be loaded down by a heavy meal in their stomach. Here are some ways to adjust your eating, so that you get optimum nutrition without being too full. We eat to live. But what do we eat? Nutrition doesn't change from winter to summer, but how we obtain that nutrition might. When the weather gets warmer, we want our meals to be as light as our clothing. But can we still feel full when we eat lighter fare? The answer is yes if you know what foods are good for you to consume. You don't have to sacrifice the density of nutrition for satisfaction. Here are some kinds of food that are good for eating in the summertime. Food choices for summertime eating. Salads. Not everyone wants to eat rabbit food, and you don't have to. Salads have come a long way these days, and they are more satisfying than ever. Start with your favorite lettuce. Add the raw vegetables that you like. Raw mushrooms can resemble meat in texture. Don't forget the cheese and nuts. How about boiled eggs? They provide a protein source. Lean chicken, turkey or ham can round out the salad. This type of salad is sure to fill you up. Go easy on the dressing for fewer calories. Sandwiches. Try whole wheat bread or lettuce leaves to hold the insides. Sandwiches like chicken salad, egg salad, ham salad and veggie wraps are light enough to be eaten without overfilling you. They are also portable so you can eat healthy on the run. Smoothies. When you don't have time to sit and munch this summer, a smoothie can provide filling nutrition in a fun way. Besides ice, add yogurt, frozen fruit, raw veggies and oatmeal for density. Cold soups. Ever eaten gazpacho? It is a cold tomato-type soup popular in southern Europe. Cold soups can provide good nutrition without overheating your body when the weather is warm. Fruit salads. When you want a snack, try a mixed fruit salad. Pick from the large variety of fruits that are in season during the summer. Top them with whipped topping for a sweeter snack. Grilled veggies. Vegetables can sometimes taste boring. One way to liven them up and eat more of them this summer is to grill them. Use them on kebabs as well as cooking them in a grill basket. It is healthy and light for a busy family. Nuts. Nuts are high in healthy fats and protein. Carrying them along with you can provide energy and nutrition on the go. Your meals can be as portable and energetic as you are this summer.